If you want to install Chrome on your Android TV, then here's how to do it. Hey guys, if this is your Android TV right here, then let's just download it from right here. You can see the Your App section, then head on right. At the very right corner, you can see Add Applications. With that, you can search for apps and games. So since we're going to install Chrome, then we should head on and install Chrome.
Results for Chrome.
So since we don't have any Chrome right here, we can install Google app for Android TV, which is just the same way with the Chrome, and we can also use the browser one for that.